Welcome to Komal Industries, a leading name in the field of pharmaceutical water and process systems. For over 4 decades, Komal has maintained its promise to uphold the integrity and purity that it stands for. Like a lotus rising above the murky waters, Komal signifies purity of products and commitment. Komal has eyes only for excellence. With only the best-in-class components of reputed European and American brands, Komal settles for nothing but top-quality products every time. Today, Komal boasts of an entire in-house process line with zero outsourcing and maximum quality control. From purified water, water for injection, pure steam generators, to sterile, non-sterile process vessels and bioreactors, Komal has always committed to delivering the best-in-class products in each segment. Komal has earned itself an ever-growing and loyal base of satisfied clients, fulfilling its needs in over 40 countries with 4,000 installations through a forward-looking approach with strategic anticipation of the market demands and round-the-year training program for its employees. The state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities spread over 2 locations and a 25,000 square feet area, coupled with regulatory compliant validation documents, have made Komal the most sought-after name globally as the best manufacturers of pharmaceutical water and process systems. So, no matter where you are, when quality matters to you, it is always Komal.